Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ducati Monster 821 Stealth. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2020 Ducati Monster 821 Stealth with 8,660 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and a quick shifter. It's been upgraded with a Works USA muffler, an LED headlight, aftermarket turn signals, mirrors, a rear fender eliminator kit, frame sliders, front and rear axle sliders, and swing arm spools. Powered by an 821cc Ultimate engine, the Monster puts 112 horsepower and 65 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.4-gallon fuel capacity, the Monster has a 140 to 190 mile range. It has a 30-inch seat height and a 454-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Monster will need turn signals with sufficient visibility and bigger mirrors. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds and the rear at 730 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint chip on the fuel tank and a paint blemish on the headlight trim. This bike has a toolkit and one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.